Hi, my name is Catherine Cornai, and I'm an astrophysicist and educator working with the University of California, Berkeley. This is the content training video for investigating clouds in the Explore Science Earth and Space Toolkit. Clouds are everywhere on Earth, from fluffy white ones to dark, menacing storm clouds. They may look like big pillows, but they're actually made of water molecules. Individual water molecules are far too small to see with our eyes, but we can see clouds. That's because the water molecules within clouds are stuck together in larger droplets. Each droplet contains more than 1 quintillion water molecules. That's 1 with 18 zeros after it. Clouds form when it gets cold enough for water molecules in a vapor to stick together. In this activity, releasing the pressure in the bottle rapidly cools the molecules, which allows them to stick to one another. When there are tiny dust or pollution particles in the air, clouds form more easily. That's because water molecules can stick to these particles, creating the beginning of a droplet that more molecules can join. Just a few hundred years ago, when there was significantly less pollution in the air, our skies had fewer clouds. Clouds play an important role in Earth's climate. Sometimes, clouds trap heat energy and make Earth warmer. Other times, they block sunlight and prevent our planet from heating up. Clouds can either warm or cool our planet, depending on their height, thickness, and structure. In this activity, the laser beam acts like an instrument to detect clouds. The light of the laser beam is bouncing off of the water droplets in the cloud and reflecting back into your eyes. When there is no cloud, and therefore no water droplets, the laser beam is invisible. Scientists use lasers to study clouds from above, too. LiDAR, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging, is a technique for measuring the precise locations of clouds by bouncing laser beams off of them. NASA researchers are studying our planet's clouds from above using an instrument called CATS, or the Cloud Aerosol Transport System, aboard the International Space Station. Researchers who work with NASA also use cloud data collected from below. In your toolkit is a postcard for NASA's Globe Observer Citizen Science Project. You can download the app and join a global community contributing to NASA science. Encourage participants to think about clouds that they've seen recently. For instance, what shape and color were those clouds? The optional second part of this activity encourages visitors to use a worksheet to make observations about clouds from the ground. Try to facilitate this activity where participants can go outside or view the sky through a window. Thanks for watching this content training video on investigating clouds. I hope that you have fun facilitating this activity from the NISE Network's Explore Science, Earth and Space Toolkit.